How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to see purchase history in Google Play Store. So I'll show you two ways that you can do it. The first way, open up the Play Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right, and then come down to payments and subscriptions, and then select budget and history. And then you can see in here what you've spent and what apps you've spent money on. And then another way you can do it is by coming out of here, tapping your profile icon in the top right, and then select manage your Google account at the very top. From here you want to scroll across until you see the payments and subscriptions tab. Open that and then come down to manage purchases. And so here you'll see a list of all purchases that you've made. I haven't made any, so that's why it's blank, but that's how you do it. So thank you for watching.